This is the RK-65 repair kit. This kit does work for the model 60, 65, 67, and the 68. On the front of the package, it'll come with a list of the parts that should be included, as well as that little picture diagram of how the parts go and where. So we'll go ahead and get everything out here and go over each part, take measurements of each as well. So it will come with the packing nut, or the packing nut or head nut, and then this C washer, then the yoke nut, the plunger, which is brass and rubber, and then the stem screw and the T handle. So we'll go ahead and start with measurements of that head nut, and it is hexed. It should have that rubber O-ring or plastic O-ring in here as well, as you can see right in there. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each. So we'll start with an outside diameter here at the bottom, and that measurement right there is about 1 1/4 inches. And then an outer diameter here. So we're measuring just from that lip there. So from that lip, that outside diameter is right about 1 inch. And then the outer diameter of that hex portion is right at 1 1/2 inches. And then we'll measure the stem screw. We'll get a total length here. See, that total length is right at about 2 inches right there at the end. And then we'll measure the plunger. We'll get a total height. It measures right above 1 1/2 inches. And then we'll measure that C washer. Get a total length of right at about 1 inch and 1/8, just over 1 inch. And then total height and then length of the T handle. So that total height will measure right below 2 inches, almost right at 1 3/4 inches. And then the length of the handle itself measures right at, get my finger out of the way, right at 1 3/4 inches as well. And it is squared, as you can see there. Now we've got the yoke nut here, and with the yoke nut it will have those internal female threads as well as that little flange there, the 2 holes on both sides, and female threads on that end as well. So we'll go ahead and get a total length, and that measures right at about 2 inches. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford RK-65 repair kit.